Hey guys, happy Saturday. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm out at a food truck festival. So I'm just going to do a little short video and kind of show you what we got going on. So this food truck festival is in Nellysford, Virginia. It is at Bold Rock, I guess Bold Rock Cidery. So again, that's Nellysford, Virginia. It's pretty cool up here. This is like our second trip. So just enjoy. They have some live music. They got a few food trucks, and then they have their regular restaurant that's open. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of what we got going on. So enjoy your Saturday. Have a good one. You can see we got some people out playing cornhole. They have a bartender over there serving drinks. So we got people just walking around, enjoying themselves. So yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. Something nice and easy to do on a Saturday afternoon.